Everybody on YouTube, Brady Hill 1 here. I just rebuilt this pallet on this side, and I decided to do a video because I couldn't find a whole lot of good information. I could find information on how to do the inside, but not on like getting the universal joint out. And I'm gonna try something new. That one over there I took all the way down and fought the U-joint. This one here's got a double nut. I'm gonna try to just take it loose right here where it's like double nutted. That way maybe to screw it out. And the only thing I'm doing is the top seals. I've seen a lot of videos of people say to take them out because you can take them to the workbench and do a better job, and you probably can, but before I can even start to get all the panels off, I can redo them this way. So this is my second one, but it's got a universal joint that just threads in. You're gonna hold it so it don't splatter out everywhere. Now this is going to be spring loaded. Unless you know how it goes together, you don't want it just to fly apart. Sorry about that, my camera dropped. I don't know if it's back on it or not, but I can't stop right here. What I'm doing is actually pulling them out so I can let the spring tension off without them just flying all over the place once they get the cover off. They say that these go in a certain order, so what I do is I just leave them sitting up there and do them one at a time. Since this one right here is dirty, or since it fell on the floor, I'm gonna do it first. I use a lot of starting fluid for cleaner. It's very flammable. It's not meant to be used for cleaner, but it's some of the best stuff that I've ever found to clean with. I used about a can washing this little tray out before I started. But here's the fun part, or the leak. This outside O-ring normally is not your leak. This the inside one's like a cylinder wiper. Alright, had a little bit of camera problems, so I went ahead and redid all of them except for this one right here. So I can show everybody exactly how to do it without boring everybody too. You take the little plunger out. There's a, ow, you don't do that. There's a little, it's like a hydraulic cylinder wiper seal. It's not an O-ring that's in here. This is normally where your oil leak comes from. Sometimes the brass is wore. This is $1.25. The other O-ring's 50 cents at my local cat store here at Blanchard. The little poppet's $100. So this normally works at least for a little while. Anyway, there again, be careful using starting fluid. If you're in California, it will give you cancer. I'm in South Carolina, so I should be good. You want to install it with the wiper turned down, so it actually holds the oil in. These were a little aggravating at first, but then Once I figured out how to do it, they go right in. Alright, regular ring on the outside. Put the plunger back in. Always wiggle it. Make sure you ain't got no dirt in it. Cause I didn't tear it apart and take it to the workbench like I probably should have. But I'd still be trying to get it out right now. Alright, so you're gonna put this back over. And this is the trickiest part I've seen so far. You got to push all these back in the hole. And try not to pinch the O-rings. They got to all be kind of lined up. On this particular machine, this is the only thing that holds them in. What I'm doing now is I was checking, make sure I didn't pinch the O-ring. They all look good still. And as bad as I want to take the battery impact, half-inch impact, and just wham this thing down in, I don't think that's a good idea. It's got it tight. It's got a little bit of play in it. I don't want it too tight. Could tighten it up some, but I'm not. Alright, I had some company come by. Don't get much, so stop for just a minute. But the only thing left is just put the joystick back on and the cover. I don't think I'm gonna put my cover back on right now anyway, so. I've been working on this thing for about a week, fixing oil leaks and stuff, and off and on. I've had hydraulic pump tore apart fixing oil leaks. I'm just locking that right back down where it was at. But fixing to crank it up and see if I got them or if I got to tear back into it.